Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today in this video I'm going to unboxing DJI wireless microphone. So this is Anis. If you need my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So as you can see on my hand, I have DJI wireless microphone and here showing packaging stuff, and in this right is DJI branding, and the back here is some main feature. It has 250 meters transmissions and dual channel recording and up to 14-hour recording memory, portable and compact and wide compatibility, so you can use DSLR and iOS device or Android, so you can record up to 15 hour. So here's some information in the site, some picture, and in this back some information about this microphone, nothing else. Then I open, so here is some box content. So charging case, receiver, transmitter too, so lots of things, so you can see here. So just open, very simple boxing. And first the accessories box, so just open here from here. So good quality pounds, so you can carry this microphone. There's nothing here, so pounds quality is very good with DJI branding. So some paperwork and USB to USB type C cable for charging and data transfer, and 3.5 mm TRS cable for connecting camera, two wind skin for using when you use wind solutions. Then final content is uh, microphone itself and nothing else. So here is the packaging, so just push from here to open, and very matte finishing, build quality is good, plastic. And here is charging port type C, and here is battery indicator, and in this back some information about this. Then DJI logo, then unpack, and it will automatically turning on and link with this transmitter. And here showing battery level up to 4 level. Then here is a transmitter with the magnetic clip, so here, and another transmitter, it's automatically turn it on and link with the receiver. And receiver itself, as you can see, both device linked with this receiver. Then here is type C dongle and lightning dongle for iPhone. And here is a mount show for when you use a DSLR and nothing else. So let's check out this transmitter. As you can see, here is type C port for charging this transmitter, and you can transfer data from here. It support up to 14-hour recording. Here is the power button, and in this bottom some 4 pin for when you use charging case. It will charge this transmitter. And here is a recording button and link button. In this top you can use lavalier microphone and this microphone. So this indicator for status indicator, and here is another indicator for recording. When you start a recording like that, it show red button and it vibrate. And if I see that receiver, as you can see, here is a touch screen, you can control everything from here. We see on Rode microphone it has apps for controlling this microphone, but on DJI microphone there is no apps for mobile and laptop, but you can control everything on here. So in this side, here is power button and type C for charging this and transferring data. And in this side is out for camera and audio monitoring. In this bottom here is the some pin for when you use mobile device. So you can just press this side all the way to down, and you can connect with your mobile device. So you can start record or stop recording from here just like that, or you can mute from here just, or you can check recording level and format the memory card. So as you can see, format complete. So it's up to 15 hours showing here. Go back and go back here, and transmitter 1, you can record from transmitter 1 and just stop everything access from here just like that. So yeah, pretty much that's it. If you have any questions about this microphone, let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.